Yeah, know what I'm saying? We on the baseline, know what I'm saying? That boosting, know what I'm saying? That's how we do it all day, nigga. Too much for one nigga. Yeah, that's how we do it, know what I'm saying? We got to get back here. Good job, right? Fuck damn, bitch, I put that on everything. You telling me to twist a nigga with that special, man? With cheese pie, don't want you break bread with a real nigga. Look like I got a third for a meal ticket. That's the boy right there, Kane, know what I'm saying? Realest nigga out here, know what I'm saying? On Bayline, know what I'm saying? Look for all the white hoes, know what I'm saying?